BMW's flagship luxury SUV just got a major makeover, and it's bigger, bolder, and more advanced than ever. Today, we take a deep dive into the 2026 BMW X7, exploring its aggressive front-end redesign, sleek side profile, high-tech interior, powerful engine options, and ultra-luxurious rear-end design. Is this the ultimate family SUV? Stay tuned to find out. Right off the bat, the front fascia catches the eye. BMW has doubled down on its signature kidney grille, which now features a blackout design, giving it a more intimidating presence on the road. The sharp, split LED headlights are sleeker than ever, blending seamlessly into the sculpted lines of the front hood. And check out those massive air intakes. They're not just for show, they improve cooling for the beast under the hood. Moving to the side, the 2026 X7 retains its bold, imposing silhouette, but with a few refinements. Flush door handles and aerodynamic lines create a more futuristic, sleek look. With its massive 23-inch multi-spoke wheels, this SUV has a serious presence on the road. Plus, the signature M Sport package adds aggressive side skirts and gloss black trim for a sportier appeal. Now, the rear is where it gets really interesting. Full-width LED taillight bars give the X7 a futuristic touch, mirroring the sleekness of the headlights. A roof spoiler adds sporty aggression, while a quad exhaust setup hints at the raw power under the hood. BMW's attention to detail here is impeccable. Subtle badging, sculpted bumper lines, and a more angular stance make this one of the best-looking SUVs in its class. But let's get to what really matters, performance. The 2026 BMW X7 is expected to have a few engine options, including a 3.0L twin-turbo inline, 6 for the base model, which produces around 400 HP. A 4.4L twin-turbo V8 engine for the M60i trim, which produces around 550 HP. And for those who want the ultimate, the X7M competition can be equipped with a hybrid V8 engine that produces over 650 HP. All trims come standard with xDrive all-wheel drive, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and adaptive air suspension, ensuring the perfect balance between luxury and performance. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with BMW craftsmanship at its finest. A curved OLED display dominates the dashboard, seamlessly integrating a 14.9-inch infotainment screen with a 12.3-inch digital driver's display. The latest iDrive 9 system comes with AI-assisted voice command, gesture control, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But what's really interesting? The crystal-cut gear selector and ambient lighting strip, which now stretches across the entire dashboard and door panels, offering a futuristic, customizable experience. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with dual 12.5-inch infotainment screens, massaging seats, and even a built-in refrigerator for a truly luxurious touch. So, is the 2026 BMW X7 the ultimate luxury SUV? With its bold design, blistering performance, cutting-edge technology, and top-notch luxury, there's no doubt that it's a top contender in the high-end SUV segment. But what do you think? Would you choose this over the Mercedes GLS or Audi Q8? Let me know in the comments below.